In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel an event in Google Calendar, whether you scheduled a meeting that no longer needs to happen, or your plans have simply changed. Knowing how to properly remove an event will help keep your calendar clean and up to date. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns or has access to the event you want to cancel. If you use multiple Google accounts, take a quick second to check the profile icon in the top right corner and confirm you're in the right one. This helps avoid accidentally editing the wrong calendar. Once your Google Calendar loads, you'll see your events laid out by day, week, or month, depending on your current view. You can switch views using the buttons near the top right of the screen if that makes it easier to find your event. For example, if you know the exact date, the month view might be best. If it's something happening this week, the week view often gives a clearer picture of your schedule. Next, locate the event you want to cancel and click on it. This opens a small details window right above or beside the event. Here you'll see information like the event title, time, location, and any guests that were invited. Take a quick look to confirm you've selected the correct event, especially if you have multiple events with similar names. With the event details open, look for the option to delete or remove the event. On most layouts, you'll see a trash can icon or a delete or delete event button near the top or bottom of the event window. Go ahead and click that delete option. When you delete the event, Google Calendar may ask you to confirm your choice, especially if it's a repeating event or if guests were invited. If it's a one-time event, confirming the deletion will remove it from your calendar right away. If it has guests, you may see a prompt asking whether you want to notify them that the event has been cancelled. It's usually a good idea to send a notification so everyone knows the event is no longer happening and doesn't show up at the wrong time or place. Once you confirm, the event disappears from your calendar view. If it was part of a recurring series, you might be asked whether you want to delete just this one occurrence or the entire series. Choose the option that best fits your situation. After deleting, quickly scan your calendar to make sure the event is gone and that you've removed the correct one. If you changed your mind or deleted the wrong event, you can often use the undo option that briefly appears at the bottom of the screen, or check the trash section in Google Calendar to restore it within a limited time. That's all there is to it. You've successfully cancelled an event in Google Calendar, keeping your schedule accurate and up to date.